Hi there! I know, you all have been waiting for a new View TV for a long time, and this time it's really big. Here is the 65-inch View Cinema TV. It comes with 100-watt 6-speaker built-in soundbar and the MEMC chip on board for the super smooth videos. Can't wait to check it out, so let's unbox it. I'll share my initial impressions, but before we begin, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so you never miss an update. Also follow me on my social media handles for more tech info. This is your friend Tech Singh. Let's get started. On the top it mentions View Android TV 65-inch Cinema TV. Below here it mentions Android TV, the Google Assistant, Chromecast built-in, high dynamic range, it supports Dolby Vision, HDR10, HLG, built-in soundbar with DTS Virtual X surround. On the side here are some manufacturing details and the MRP, which is 1 lakh, but this device is available for 69,999. Alright, let's unbox it. So the first thing I have to tell you is do not try to unbox it yourself. Let the technician come and do it for you, or else you might damage the device. So inside the box is a wall mount unit, and this is one of the biggest wall mount units that I've seen with the View TV. It's for the 65-inch, it's bigger. Then you have some paperwork. You have a quick setup guide and a user manual. Then you have two plastic stands, grey, matte coated, and I wish they were metal, but they are really solid, no creaking sounds, and they look pretty nice and premium. You have rubber at the base so that they get a good grip on the table. It's bigger and it's nice. Then you have the power cord. You have the screws to mount the stands. You have batteries for the remote, and here is the View TV remote. Pretty functional. Shortcut keys for the OTT apps, input, power button, Google Voice Assistant, back button, home button, volume button, mute button. Pretty functional Bluetooth remote with all the features that you need. So we have fixed the stands and table mounted the TV. The bezels are extremely slim, almost bezel-less I can say. The back is made of plastic and feels very well built. Most of the handy ports are on the side while some are behind. On the side are antenna, 3 HDMI ports out of which one supports HDMI ARC, optical for digital audio, and 2 USB ports. On the back are AV composite, Ethernet, and a 3.5mm headphone jack. The ones behind might be really hard to reach after the TV is wall mounted. On the front below the display are the 6 JBL speakers covered with a grey mesh fabric and looks really premium. It's literally like a soundbar attached to your TV. It has a DTS Virtual X logo on the left and the View branding in the center. The design and use of fabric for the built-in soundbar makes the device stand out from the rest. Amazing. While we set up the device, let's have a quick glance at the specifications. 4K D-LED VA panel with a resolution of 3840 by 2160 pixels, 500 nits peak brightness, 2 GB RAM, 16 GB storage, MEMC chip to reduce motion blur, JBL 6-speaker built-in soundbar, Dolby Vision and Dolby Atmos support, dual-band Wi-Fi support, and Android TV OS 9. And there we go, we're ready and booted. And the first thing I have to say is the display looks really huge. There's a huge difference between a 55-inch and a 65-inch, and 65-inch truly looks massive. This is really huge. So you can see the Android TV OS running here. Let's check out the version number. It's running Android TV 9 Pie. However, I would have loved to see if it was running Android TV 10, but nevertheless, doesn't matter too much. Alright, coming back, you have the app row on the top, you have the content row below here. Let's go to the app launcher. So you have Netflix that comes pre-installed, Hotstar, Prime Videos, Media Player, Google Play Store with tons of apps and games that you can get from here. We'll have a look at it. Google Play Music, Google Play Movies, YouTube, everyone's favorite, Google Play, Live TV, you have a browser, and you have screen mirroring. Overall, the interface looks really smooth thanks to the 2 GB RAM and 16 GB storage. Let's check out what is the storage that they are providing. And there you go, out of 16 GB, you have 11 GB of usable space. Alright, let's play something and see how well the display performs. Let's go on YouTube. Here is the 4K video playing on YouTube, and trust me, it's jaw-dropping gorgeous on such a big canvas. This is a 4K VA panel with a resolution of 3840 by 2160 pixels. The color reproduction is really good and tuned to look natural and not oversaturated. The images are crisp and sharp thanks to the good brightness levels. View claims it has over 500 nits of peak brightness, and it shows. It has 60 Hz refresh rate and videos are playing buttery smooth. However, you can turn on the MEMC in the picture settings and make the motion enhancement from clear to smooth. Check out the same video with MEMC turned on. You can see a stark difference in smoothness. Looks gorgeous. So this is ideal for sports content and documentaries. I would recommend you keep the motion enhancement to clear while watching movies for the best viewing experience. Now let's talk about my favorite feature of the View Cinema TV, the sound. The previous View Cinema TVs came with 40 watt sound output and it was truly impressive. Now we get 100 watt 6 speaker JBL built-in soundbar on the 65-inch View Cinema TV. Here's a quick demo. So firstly, they get very loud, so loud that I could never push it to full. Now, this isn't just about volume, they also sound amazing. After a long time, I can say that I enjoyed the bass on any TV's built-in speakers. The audio sounds rich, and yes, because they have dedicated drivers for mids, highs and lows. You aren't going to need any external speakers for this one, unless you want to experience a Dolby Atmos sound experience, which also the View Cinema TV supports. The audio on the View Cinema TV's 65-inch is one of its biggest pros. Let's check out the Google Play Store. There you go, tons of apps that you can download directly from here. If you go to the Games tab, you'll find a huge collection of games as well. Some will work with the remote, while some might need a gamepad. Also checked out Disney Hotstar app and it worked really well. There is a lot of Dolby Vision content available here, which the View Cinema TV supports. You can see towards the left of the screen. Let's play the video. There you go. You can also see the Dolby Vision logo on the top right. If you go to the menu in the picture settings, you can change from Dolby Light, Dark or Custom. Videos play perfectly on the Hotstar app. Also briefly tested Netflix app, probably one of the best app interfaces hands down. Videos on Netflix also play perfectly fine. You can also find a lot of Dolby Vision and Dolby Atmos content on Netflix. Let's check out screen sharing or mirroring. Once you turn it on, take your Android phone and search for Cast. You'll find your TV's name, click, and your phone screen will mirror to the TV. It's actually quite smooth. I can say there is a delay, but no lag. Mirroring a YouTube video to your TV and it's playing perfectly. No drop frames at all. The best part is you don't even need a dedicated Wi-Fi network for this to work. Also tested Google Voice Assistant to check out the weather or to open apps, and it all worked without any hiccups. Alright, the View 65-inch Cinema TV is a complete package. It's literally a theatre for your home. Considering we aren't going to theatres anytime soon, this is probably your best option. 100 watt sound, 65-inch 4K display with all the apps you need. Stream or simply plug in a pen drive and enjoy. View is also giving you 3 years warranty along with these new cinema TVs. Can't ask for more, can you? The 65-inch View Cinema TV is priced at $69,999. There is also a 55-inch variant for $49,999, also with the same 100 watt JBL built-in soundbar. You can buy these on Amazon and Flipkart. I'll leave the links below in the description. If you'd like to buy one, you should definitely check it out. Full review is coming soon, so if you want me to cover a certain aspect, mention it down in the comments and I might consider them. I hope this video was helpful. If there are any questions, mention them down in the comments as well and I'll be happy to answer them. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, cheers.